Hey everyone, good morning and happy December. Welcome to another very productive vlog. So I have a lot of plans today and my day looks like waking up, making my bed, cleaning my room and making myself a very yummy bowl of breakfast, just the morning rituals, and then doing journaling, also getting ready and getting done some filming. And I have ordered a lot of things during this Black Friday sale that I am saving to open with you all, so we're gonna do that. Also later in the evening I am planning to visit Miniso, so I'm going to share their new collection with you all. So this is how I have planned my day. Now let's get started with the day. So today I woke up around 9 a.m. and I hate leaving my bed during winter in the morning, like it feels so cozy, but I quickly got freshened up and did my morning skincare, and now I am cleaning my room and changing the bed sheet and all, because whenever I do this, like my bed looks neat and clean, I feel so motivated to work. Like this gives me some kind of peace. I mean, the people who get it will get it, you know. Now I'm going to dust clean my bed with this Agaro bed vacuum cleaner. I got this product last month and I am genuinely saying this is such a good product, you guys. Like I don't stay in our house that much, I keep on traveling, which is why my room gets really dusty, and this product really does help with that. Also, I got this new journal for 2025 and it is so cute, you guys. Like it is filled with calendar, planners, all the cute positive quotes and everything cute possible, and I couldn't wait. I already started filling it. So we are going to do journaling and plan our day and make a to-do list out of it. Also take this as your sign to start journaling. If you haven't started yet, like please do start from 2025, because this is going to help you to achieve your goals and this is going to change your life in so many aspects. So today I am trying this very yummy yogurt bowl recipe that I saw on YouTube, and for that we need some frozen berries, but we don't have that at home, so we're gonna work with whatever we have and make it look pretty and yummy. So I took some normal yogurt and adding some chocolate muesli, dried cranberries and honey, chia seed, also a lot of fruits like banana and apples. Breakfast is ready and it looks so yummy, and now we are going to make my first drink of the day. So I started consuming this collagen after 2 hours of my breakfast every single day for glowing healthy skin. And to make this, all we need is a glass of water and 1 scoop of this collagen powder, and that's it. I want to update you guys on one thing because I feel this is going to be very helpful and important for you as well. And a lot of you might already know that after Durga Puja, my skin started to act real bad. Like I was having a lot of breakouts, so there was a lot of dry patches. My skin became very dull, dehydrated and uneven, So I started taking my life seriously and I did my research and I found out that there is something called collagen and understood the importance of it. So let me tell you what is collagen. So collagen is basically a protein which is already present in our body and it helps to keep our skin very firm, elastic and hydrated, But as we get older, after a certain age, our bodies start to produce less collagen, which is why we start to look older and we get fine lines, wrinkles and dehydrated dull skin. But to avoid that, we can take collagen supplements. So from last month, I started consuming this HK Vital Collagen and it is really helping me to get my skin back on track because it has some amazing ingredients like vitamin C, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, which all work together to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and it helps us to look young. It keeps our skin hydrated and brings back all the natural glow. I got this in orange flavor. It tastes amazing, has no added sugar or side effect. Also, it is clinically proven to show result in 8 weeks. My skin has improved so much. Like my skin is hydrated, the dullness and dryness is gone, it is glowing and dark spot also has reduced. But you have to be really consistent and drink it every single day to get good result. So far I am really happy with the result and I will add the link in the description for you guys. Also, you guys can use my code Gloria on hkvital.com to get additional 10% discount. And I have my breakfast ready here, so I'm going to finish my breakfast first and then I'm going to drink this. So the breakfast and all is done. Now I have to sit down for like straight 2 hours to get some work done. I have to write down 2 promotional scripts for 2 different brands and send it for approval. Also, I'm going to upload shorts that you guys love watching. So this is literally how a content creator's usual day look like. Wake up, eat, film a video, edit, upload, then repeat. And honestly, I am grateful for this life. So I just had shower and did my after shower skincare routine and now I'll get ready and do my makeup because I'm going to film an unboxing video for Instagram and I'll share behind the scenes with you guys like how I shoot my reels. So I ordered this package from Miragio and it's a shoulder bag. This is going to be my first ever Miragio bag and this is not a PR package, you guys. I ordered this during their Black Friday sale and it is so pretty and worth filming a aesthetic unboxing video, so we're gonna do that. Also, I ordered another blue jeans from Off Duty during their Black Friday sale again. It's in this very bluish blue color and it's a wide leg jeans, so we are going to wear this right now. Also, obviously I have some PR package from Numi. It's become like a ritual for me to unbox some PR package from Numi in this kind of vlog, so we are going to do that now. Let's get ready. So this is how the blue jeans is looking. It's a wide leg jeans and the length is little long for me. I think I have to alter it, but right now we are fine with it. So let's do makeup. Not gonna do much. I'm just going to apply a foundation, blush and mascara. Also, I have ordered the Maybelline new foundation and I am so happy that I finally have a new foundation because I have overused their last version of foundation. I used to use it on daily basis and I am so bored of it. I mean, for real, like I have other foundation like Elf Cosmetics, Rare Beauty, I have MAC foundation, but I don't use them on daily basis because the amount of comfort I found in the Maybelline foundation is unreal, which is why I think I got bored. But finally I'm happy. But I got this in wrong shade. My shade is 220, but this foundation has a very limited shade, so I saw everyone in my complexion using this one 310, so I got this one, but it is a little dark on me, but ki kora jabe. Maybelline mascara, OG Lakme liner, Inside Cosmetics blush, favorite romantic lipstick in the shade Almond Rose. Now let's open the new PR package. It's me and my mini paper cutter against the wall, so let's open the package. It's the same cardigan again that I ordered on my last vlog, but in navy blue color. Last time they sent me in olive green. Also, let me clear one thing out. PR package and collaboration package are different thing. PR package, when brand send you, you don't have to like film a video or something like that. If you just put a story, the brand is fine. Like it's like a PR package, like product review, how do you feel about it, and if you feel good about the product, you can film a video or you can put a story, or if you don't even put a story, is fine. But for collaboration packages, you have to, like, it's a different set of contract. You have to film a video, reel, whatever they are asking for. It's a deal with the brand and the influencer. Open this package quickly because the video is getting way too long. Looks like a blazer, but it's a blazer kind of a dress. Also, it came with this belt. Let me show you. This is how the dress is going to look, and I think it is going to look really good with long boots, you know. I like it. So we are done. Now let's film the unboxing video. Just got done with the shoot, and here is my bag, you guys. It is so pretty and in this rusty red color. I don't have anything in this color and I love it. Now I'm gonna go downstairs and have my lunch. Also, I'm not going to remove my makeup or outfit because I'm planning to go out. So first in the evening I'll go to my sister's place, and from there I'm gonna go to Miniso because I have few things to buy. So yeah, that is the plan. So let's go and have lunch now. So this is my lunch, you guys, and I am having lunch little late today. Also, my mom made my favorite dish, which is chicken and rice, and that's all. I don't need anything else when there is like chicken. So I'm quickly going to finish eating, and after that I think I'll be having some time in my hand before going to my sister's place. So I'm planning to kill that time watching maybe some vlogs or series on Netflix. It is currently 5:30 right now, and we are going to South City Mall to do some random window shopping and to visit Miniso. Also, I'm really liking Zara's new fall/winter collection this time, so I'm giving you all a tour of the things that I really liked, and they are totally killing it with the collection and the price point. They kept the price point little low this time, I feel, because there is like hardly something to find under 2000 rupees in Zara, but there was a lot of options in clothing, in bags as well, under 2000 rupees. So if you guys want, you guys can check because the collection is really nice. So we came to Chili's for after lunch. Basically আমরা বাড়ি থেকে লাঞ্চ করে এসেছি আর এসে হাঁটাহাঁটি করে আবার খিদে পেয়ে গেছে. So we are having this boba drink, and this is the best boba drink that I have ever tried in my life. এটার বোবাগুলো ওই কি বলো ওটাকে, পপিং বোবা. You guys need to try this. They have this menu. I tried this one also. এটাও ভীষণ ভালো. আজকে এইটা নিয়েছি, এটাও খুবই ভালো. এটা স্ট্রবেরি অ্যান্ড ব্লুবেরি, আর এটা ম্যাঙ্গো অ্যান্ড স্ট্রবেরি. বোথ আর রিয়েলি গুড. ইউ গাইস নিড টু ট্রাই ইট.
আই লাইক দিস ওয়ান বেটার.
না, এটা থেকে ওটা বেশি বেটার ছিল.
আমার এটা বেশি বেটার লাগছে. লাইক পুরোটা স্ট্রবেরি, ওটা পুরোটা ম্যাঙ্গো ছিল না. Better.
I wasn't a burger person, but I don't know what happened. I started really liking burgers, so
Me happened, me.
we ordered a burger. Let's try. Red flags, throwing away the red flags from our life. এটা রাখলে বেশি সুবিধা হতো না? We are eating. We are supposed to eat with the red flags. Okay? After eating a lot of things from Chili's, we again came to food court to have coffee. So we got some hot coffee from McD, and now finally we are going to Miniso to do some shopping. I was looking for some cute storage organizer for my room because my room is literally overflowing with products, and Miniso has the best kind of cute storage organizers, that too under 200 rupees. The basket that I am holding in my hand is for 190 rupees, and this cute one with this handle is for only 100 rupees. You guys need to get it. Also, there was a lot of options in this kind of charms and keychain. If you like collecting this kind of things, you guys should definitely check Miniso. I feel Miniso is the dream shop for every girly pop because everything that I see, that I touch is the most cutest thing, and I want them all. Also, I saw the cutest spray bottle, and it is little expensive though, 170 rupees for one bottle, but still I got it because it is so cute, and I am planning to transfer my toner in this because it will be much easier to carry. And here are some more cute jewelry and storage organizers that you can check. All of these are under 500 rupees and very good in quality, so you can check them out. I also really like this gingham printed jewelry pouch or makeup bag for 230 rupees, but I didn't get it and I regret it now, but I shopped quite a lot. With that being said, I'm ending the video now, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please leave a comment. It will motivate me to create more, and do subscribe. I see you next time. Bye bye.